CAT machines are built to be rebuilt, and a certified machine rebuild can provide a customer a complete machine like new at a fraction of the cost. So available rebuild options are component. It can be engine. It can be a combination of engine, final drive, transmission, which then would be a powertrain. Another option would also be powertrain plus hydraulics, in which hydraulics, hose, and couplings are updated and replaced, harnesses as well, and any other engineering defined updates that have been improved upon in the past years. Another one is a CAT certified rebuild that is complete machine, powertrain, hydraulics, and cab and undercarriage. Benefits to CAT customers are peace of mind. They know their equipment, they know the technology as well. They know the performance and capability and capacity, so they can stay within their same machine. The CAT dealer can provide expert advice to a component to a complete machine rebuild. They are the designated and supported dealer network to ensure customer support and peace of mind in your investment.